Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of this dance is Coming Back to You. It is a 4-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. It's only 32 counts, and instructors, this is the perfect dance for your beginners. So I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions, but before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in choreo line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance along with me to the music, watch till the end and just click on the video and let's dance. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. So let's get busy. So I'm going to actually turn my back to you this time. Not on the side, but the back. Okay? So this dance is going to start on 7-8. All right? And it goes 7-8. So your left knee goes up, your right heel goes down. 7 and 8. All right? Then you're going to rock out to the side. Rock out and recover. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and shuffle across. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, rock 2, shuffle 3 and 4. And then you're going to walk up, left, right. So we did it. Right, left, walk up, left, right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, 6. All right, did you get that? So you just do your hips. Right, left, side rock, recover, shuffle across, walk left, right. Now, this here is a perfect turn for your beginners. My weight is going to be on the right. I do step forward, and then I step half, with my left shoulder going forward. So I'm here, left, go forward, and the left leg goes half. So you're stepping forward with that left leg, quarter and half, all right? So that's the perfect lesson for your beginners, guys. Learning how to make a quarter and a half turn back to back. Which the turn is a 3/4 turn. Left, right. Step left, that's a quarter. Step left, that's a half. When you do that, just dip down a little bit on that. Look at the weight on the left. All right? So let's add that together. So what did we do? We switch with the hip and the heels, right, left, side rock, recover, shuffle across, walk up, left, right, step left quarter, step right half, step on the left, quarter, step out on the left, half, and dip down. So each time the left shoulder goes forward, so the left leg is doing all the work. Left, right, left, dip. So I went left, right, that's a quarter, left. Just the left, not the right. And that's a quarter and a half with the left shoulder going forward. So let's do that again, and then we're going to add on. So it starts on 7-8. 7, 8. And that's where my weight is. 7, 8. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, walk 5, 6 quarters, 7, 8, 1, down 2. So I step on 1 on the left and I go down on 2. When I do that, my right heel comes up. I'm going to move it back with a lock step. Step, lock, step on the right. And step, lock, step on the left. Okay? So let's do that again. So 7, 8, rock 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, step 5, 6, pivot 7, 8 is 1, 2, lock 3 and 4, 5, 6. So I want you to rock. So you're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So you're going to do a lock step and rock step. So you do a lock step on the right and you rock. You do a lock step on the left and then you rock. So we come down on the left. My right heel is up, we rock, lock step. Coming back. Right, left, right, rock, left, right, lock, left, right, left, rock, right, left. Okay? So, remember from here, we did a quarter, left, right, and then a half, left, dip down on the left. So we step left, dip down on the left. My right heel comes up, I'm going to do a lock step back. Right, left, right, rock, left, right. Take it back. Left, rock, right, left. Okay? That's where we are. So let's put it together. Starting on 7, 8, which is right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Walk 5, 6, quarter, 7, 8. Half 1. Dip 2. Lock 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2. Okay? Now we're going to move it forward with a heel strut on the right and the left. Heel, strut, side rock, recover, heel, strut, side rock, recover. We're going to do that 2 times. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's put the dance together. That's the end of the dance. And my weight is on the left. Remember, it starts right, left. Okay. So we start on 7, 8. So we should end the dance on 6 because we start on 7, 8. All right. So let's see if we can get there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Walk 5, 6, quarter, 7, 8. It's 1. Dip 2, lock 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, lock 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, step 3, 4, 5, 6, side 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting the dance over. So when you do the heel strut on the right and the left, side rock, recover, right, left, side rock, recover. So the dance ends on the left, but it starts on the right. 7, 8. Starts on 7, 8, it ends on 6. Again, so when you came back with that lock step on the right and you rocked. Right, rock, left, right, rock, right, left. You moved it back. That heel strut is going to move you forward. Right, left toe strut. I'm sorry. Toe, side rock, recover. Toe, side rock, recover. When you side rock, recover, the last step is on the left. Okay, my right heel is up, and I started over again. Right, left, side. Yes. So let's put it together. Overall dance moving counterclockwise. So remember, I started on this wall. I'm here. And the dance starts over, it moves counterclockwise. 5, 6, 7, 8. And look, have your class to count it out with you to start the dance. They're always talking, but it's like, come on guys, we got to start on 7, 8. So count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, 6, pivot 7, 8 is 1. Dip 2, lock 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, lock 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, toe 3, 4, 5, 6, side 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. You start over again. So that dance in on 6, which is on the left. Then you go right into 7, 8. 7, 8, and 1, 2. Starting at this wall. We started here, counterclockwise, and the dance starts over. Coming back to you is the name of the dance. Please leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. My lunch crew, the shenanigans. How y'all guys doing? I hope y'all still working out for lunchtime. It's not Friday yet, okay? If you're gonna go out to lunch and spend money, it gotta be on a Friday. Can't be during the week, okay? So leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all guys think. Like this video. Also share this video. And I'm gonna post the demo here. Let's dance together. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.